likes it too. So good. Oh my gosh, look at that. Ano kumain ng hotdog? It's my second day sa gym. I felt so weak. Or once I'm anxious or once I'm mad. Sabi ng aking sister, binili siya lumbaw. Kaya lang ayun guys, sarado. Thank you.
And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.
Hi, Daddy.
Good.
Morning?
Afternoon.
Oh,
It's
no.
afternoon na. Yay. Ay, sus. Batang makulit. Itong isang to yung kailangan ng gupit eh. Kami yung mga nagpagupit. Si AA yung may kailangan ng gupit. Ang kapal lang ng buhok ko. Wow. You dancing? Wow. Dance. 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 Weekending. Oh, dance. 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 Wow. Wow. So strong. Dance. Hey, this way! Ayun guys, dito kami sa High Street. Medyo busy ngayon kasi weekend. And every weekend, kino-close nila tong road, part na to ng road para may space yung mga batang mag-bike, mag-scooter. Ayun, may mga nagsuscooter doon. Ayan. So, dito yung Din Tai Fung sa High Street. And happy si A. Pag nakikita niyo yung dragon dyan. Tsaka yung astronaut. Ito isa naman, kaya na pa nagsasabi nagugutom na siya. So this morning, pagising ng daddy nila, sabi, pag biisip yung mga bata, ilabas mo sila. Sa kanya, sabi ko Saturday ngayon, plano ko sana, this week, mag-stay kami sa bahay ng mga bata as much as we can, na hindi kami lalabas para walang gastos ba. Hindi kami lalabas, sa bahay lang kami. But then, sabi ng aking mister, gusto niya, ay, sarado nga! Ay, bakit sarado? So cute! Bakit sarado? Why is it shut? Sarado yung Din Tai Fung.
I think they're making a train.
Yeah? Oh no. What else are we gonna have? We have to call daddy. Sabi ng daddy nila, pinapili si Lily kung ano yung gusto kainin. Sabi ni Lily, xiaolongbao. Kaya lang ayun guys, sarado. I know there's another Din Tai Fung, but it's on Uptown, near Landers.
What's uptown?
Near Landers. But I don't wanna get again. Grab again. Another hintay. Tapos Or do you wanna eat something else? Pink. Hotdog. Pink. I think.
Pink Hermano.
Oh! Or McDonald's.
Okay, a man.
Ano?
Because there's risotto and mango cake.
Marunong na siya pumili. We'll call daddy. So kung dahil close yung Din Tai Fung, we opted for Pinks. Dito kami sa Pinks ngayon. It's still part of High Street. Pero dito yung dati lang pinupuntahan na lagi kaming kumakain ng hotdogs. They have the best hotdogs ever. As in, medyo crispy siya. Not crispy, pero alam mo yun, parang balot na balot yung pagka-juicy ng hotdog sa loob. So every bite, there's juice. Ang sarap, basta masarap. And then even their bread is so nice.
Even their burger, their fries.
Oo, burger, fries. Pero my favorite here is yung kanilang Pink's Classic Dog. Pero dati ang tawag na Naked Dog kasi wala siyang kahit na anong halo. And then we also, please don't do that, anak. And then, I love their chili cheese fries as well. So good. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
They're having corn dogs, the kids. He likes it too. Oh my gosh. No, you eat the hot dog too. Yum. More. Hold it. Ito dapat for AA. Kaya lang nainggit siya sa corn dog ng ate niya. Nag-share naman si ate. So mag-share na lang sila dito. I'm having my classic, Pink's Classic na hot dog. And yung kailang chili cheese fries. It's so good. Oh my gosh. No, A's turn.
Best burger.
Sarap. Mas masarap kaysa sa Shake Shack. Oh? Ako kumain ng hotdog.
Kasi too much na to, no? Anong ano to, te? Gulay?
Jalapeno.
Hmm?
Chili at jalapeno.
Ah, sili. Pero parang di naman siya...
For finish, how many corn dogs have you had? Ang dami guys, grabe.
I don't know.
Yung ano? Ha?
Pili ako isa.
Na?
Tanghulo.
Ano yun?
Ay, hindi mo alam yun.
Alin?
Yung ano, matigas na strawberry, tas may green.
Ayoko, masira ng ngipin ko.
Dali na!
Ayoko. Next time, bukas na lang. Busog na ako, babe. Grabe. So we're done. Maluloko kayo sa anak ko. Kumain siya ng diba, corn dog. Nag-share pa siya sa chili cheese fries ko. Tapos, kinain niya pa yung Pink's Classic hotdog ni AA. Kinain niya yung hotdog nun. Yung bread lang yung kinain ni AA. And then, naghahanap siya. Gutom pa daw siya. So, she ordered another chips, which is malaking serving siya. Naubos siya. Nag-share naman siya pa ilang piraso sa. And then, after that, kumain pa ulit siya ng corn dog. Buti na lang tumawag si daddy. Tapos, kinausap na sabi ng daddy niya, Lily, don't finish the whole order. Kasi parang 4 na mini corn dog yun. Nakadalawa na si Lily. And then sabi na rin niya, why don't you take half of it home so you can have it for dinner. Sabi niya, okay. Pero kung tutuusin, kaya niya pa ubusin yun. Grabe, nakakaloka tong batang ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano niya nakakain. Paano siya kumain ng ganong sobrang dami talaga. At itong anak ko naman, ayan, happy siya. Kasi may astronaut, ayan, may pusa naman. Favorite part niya dito sa sa High Street. Gusto ni AA.
Thank you, Daddy, for the dinner.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sandra.
Thank you, Sandra. Hello guys. Please excuse yung aming sinampay dito. Nasira yung washing machine namin. So, hindi siya nag-spin. So, matagal-tagal siyang matuyo. Tapatan mo kaya ng electric fan din. Tapatan mo ng electric fan. So, ang sabi sa amin, kukontakin kami nung mag-aayos. From July 1 onwards daw. So, antayin natin. Actually, may tapatawag sa akin kanina. Ayan. Anyway, so kumain na kami sa labas, but
Leapfrog.
I
Mommy, look, leapfrog. Leapfrog, come on. Leapfrog. Come on. More, I want boing. I don't remember. Yeah. Boing, come on. Again, more. Boing. More. Now. Boing. Sorry. Boing. Boing.
wow, one more.
Again. Boing. Again. Boing. That's leapfrog.
Good job. Magluluto ako ng chicken curry. So, kumain na kami sa labas. Usually, hindi ako kakain ng dinner kapag kumain kami ng around this time. Kaya lang, meron akong chicken na na-defrost parang kahapon. Ayoko siyang masira. So, kailangan natin siya iluto. Pinakuluan ko na siya with yung potato at saka yung carrots. That way, hindi sila mahirap palambutin. Malambot na yung ng konti yung carrots at saka yung tomatoes. Yung carrots at saka yung potatoes. So, magigisa na ako. Pasensya nyo na yung kalat natin dyan. part of small living. What? Small living. So, ito yung ginagamit yung curry powder. Usually, yung red, yung ginagamit ko. And then, na-realize ko na mas masarap yung red for beef curry. And for chicken, yung ating yellow curry. So, madali lang to siyang gamitin. I-mix mo lang siya. Mag-brown ka. Igigisa mo lang to. And then, mag-mix ka or mag-dilute ka ng yellow curry mix with 1 cup of water and 1 cup ng coconut milk. So, yung gata rin natin 1 cup. Kulay-kulay na yung ating chicken. Sunog na rin yung ating mga bawang at sibuyas. Ilalagay ko na yung ating curry mixture. Until siya, kumulo. Nag-prepare ko naman yung ating bell peppers. I love bell peppers. So, maglalagay tayo ng green and ng red. Since busog pa ako, I don't think kakainin ko to tonight. Pero, at least hindi sira yung manok. I-ref na lang natin siya. So, nilagay ko na yung ating potatoes at saka carrots. And then, susunod na natin itong ating bell pepper. So, since malambot na yung potatoes at carrots, pwede ko na siyang isabay. But usually, dapat mauuna sila, diba? Before yung ating bell pepper. Okay na yung lasa niya. But mas prefer ko talaga yung red curry compare sa yellow. Okay din naman. Hindi ba? Paano ba? Parang mahirap i-describe eh. Parang smooth yung pagiging curry ng red curry than sa yellow. Yung yellow kasi parang yung anghang niya parang tusok-tusok. Ang hirap i-explain. Basta yun. Hello mga mi! So nawala ng audio itong aking mga chika-chika ko, no? But basically, in-explain ko lang na on my way to the gym para magpa-register at magpa-member sa kanila. I haven't been the best version of myself lately. That I'm struggling so much to kind of find the balance, kumbaga, ng pagiging nanay, also working, also managing home, also being a wife, also, all these roles na nakapataw sa akin. And then at the same time, na parang I feel like a lot of parents could relate to this, na once you are a mom, may anak ka na at asawa, parang nakatuon na lang yung oras at attention mo sa kanila. That sometimes it's hard to remember na apart from being a mom, apart from being a wife, you're also you before all that. If that makes sense. Parang it's so easy to kind of like lose your identity. Medyo nagsastruggle ako about it lately that I end up having so much anxiety that I ended up at the hospital parang a couple of times. But when I found out kung ano yung pinaka nagko-cause ng anxiety ko, I have to find a way to get out of there, And that is I have to have a life outside being a mother and outside being a wife. At isa sa talagang nag-stand out sa isip ko is that I need to go back to the gym. I need to lift weights or maybe join classes. That way I can socialize and also at the same time, may outlet ako once I'm feeling frustrated or once I'm anxious or once I'm mad. Yung mga negative feelings, I can use that as an energy na magagamit ko sa gym. So after getting a membership, may daanan akong cafe, restaurant dito banda sa High Street that I wanted to try for so long na. I was so happy kasi isa sa mga nasa menu nila is this sourdough with avocado and eggs. So if you know me for a long time, this is like my top favorite breakfast of all time. And also, I've got this iced mocha latte for our coffee for this morning. I really enjoyed this breakfast and also having this time for myself. Good morning. So, it is now 8 o'clock in the morning. Medyo na-late ako ng gising. May lakad pa naman kami ngayon. The kids are ready. Papasok sila sa isang preschool malapit dito sa amin.
Daddy's calling me.
Give me the remote then. Drew. Set. Lapit na maubos. Yung pillow. You okay?
Yeah,
Let's go.
nothing. Nothing.
Nothing. You called me. I'm just getting ready. Hatid ko yung kids sa preschool na itatry out namin. Meron kami susubukang school na malapit dito. It's a preschool para kay AA sana. Pero sabi nila meron dito pang grade 2. Tapos in-invite din nila si Lily na mag-trial. So sabi ko, okay, wala mong problema. At least it gives her something to do. Ano. Meron pa ako isang school na gusto pang i-check at masubukan muna kung magiging good fit siya for AA. Pero that's scheduled for parang 2 weeks from now. But anyway, nakapang-gym ako. Maglalagay lang ako konting balot. Tapos meron akong long sleeve na isusuot. Kasi mag-yoga kami ng aking beshi today. So on the way na siya, papunta dito sa BGC. 6:30 pa daw siyang bumiyahe from Bacoor. Kasi yung oras, sobrang traffic. So mali ko kasi yung pinili kong time na mag-yoga kami is pang umaga. Kasabay ng rush hour. Sorry, Beshi, pero natutunan ko na yan. So, sasakay tayo sa kanyang sasakyan, drop off yung mga bata, and then diretso na kami sa aming yoga class. So, let's go!
Kain na naman. Pero kunwari, so mahinhin tayo. Hindi gusto mo, try mo. Try mo yung beef. Kasi gusto mo yung tapay. Sige na. Try mo na. Ano ito na? So nakakatuwa kasi hindi ganun karami yung rice nila. Good job.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page? Tonight, can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present. Instead of giving me presents, you're not getting off that easily. Oh, can we get back on the same page? Tonight we can stay.
Good morning. Today is Tuesday. I just finished working out. Tatlong machine lang yung ginamit ko today kasi parang kasi medyo maraming tao. So, since it's my second day sa gym, well, first day of using weights, so medyo naiilang pa ako. And I felt so weak na nahihirapan ako. It's usually this hard to adjust kapag first time ulit mag-gym, but I know for sure after a while I'll be able to do it na better than today. Ayan, we're home. Kaloka. My legs are so weak. Kailangan natin palakasin ang ating legs ulit.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish thing to grow old with you.